Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make gnomes on a drinking cup and a bottle and a glass jar. So let's get started. To make these easy gnomes, I'm going to use a drink cup and a pair of socks. And for the beard, I'm going to use this fun fur that I bought at the dollar store, and it's quite a big roll. I just cut off a piece, but if you don't have access to fun fur, you can make the beard using some yarn. And to do that, I wound yarn around a notebook that's about 4 inches wide. And then you just tie this off in a bundle and then cut open these loops. And that's what it will look like where you tie it off. And I'm going to use a pom-pom for the nose. And to add some weight to the gnome, I poured some salt into a sandwich bag. And then I can just place that down inside and snap the cover back on. And that will add some weight to the gnome. Okay, so now I have a pair of socks, and you can buy socks at the discount stores for not very much money. I'm going to place my sock over the cup. Like that. And I'm just going to take a piece of yarn and tie this at the top. Like that, I tied it off at the top. Now you can just take this and wind it around like that. And I have the other sock, and I'm going to tuck the foot part inside the leg part. And I'm going to use that as the stuffing for the top of the hat. And then I'm going to place that over right down to here. And I'm just going to use this heel section as the front, and I'm going to turn it up like that. And I'm going to tie this into a little bundle here at the top. Like that. And then I will glue the beard right here, and then glue the pom-pom right there. If you don't have fun fur, make this little bundle of yarn and glue that there. Glue the pom-pom in, and then just tuck the yarn up a little bit to form the beard. So I'm just going to glue this up. Glue the beard on. Like that. And the nose. But that's how easy it is to make a sock gnome. And on this one, I'm going to add this burgundy bow here at the top, and I'm going to hot glue a little bell underneath. And I cut the bell from one of these Christmas garlands. And this one I made with a pair of dark socks, and for the base I used a Perrier bottle. I'm going to hot glue some greenery on his hat and just one of these little bows to cover the base. Like that. And for the white one, I'm going to use a coffee jar. When you're cutting your fur, always cut from the back so that you're not cutting through the actual fur, you're just cutting through the back layer like that. there you have some very easy gnomes that you can make with a drink cup or a bottle or even a tin can and some socks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.